Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Esther. So by the title of this video, 8 DUBOIS products, 8 DUBOIS products that you should get either immediately or you're thinking to go to DUBOIS. So if you want to know which are these products, continue watching. Okay, so the first product that you should get is earrings. So I have 4 pairs. I have this. You see these earrings, I got them at 70 shillings, and the best thing at DUBOIS, there's that wholesale idea. So if you buy more than 3, this one initially is 100 bob, but if you buy more than 3, you get the earrings at 70 shillings. So let's do the try on. That's why I didn't wear the earrings, and you tell me. Let me. 70 bob, and you slay. You should go to DUBOIS. 70 shillings. See her. 70 bob. Very simple, but at the same time you will look classy. And the reason why I chose this many colors is because I want to use this earring with all the outfits that I can get. So this is number 1. Let me know your opinion. Was it worth for 70 shillings? The second one are these beautiful white beaded earrings with some touch of color. Let us do the try on. Try on, guys. Let me know if I did a good job. Let's see. I don't know why I feel pain when I'm wearing my earrings. I don't know why. Do you guys feel pain? See, 70 shillings, 70 bob. My that earrings, guys. We have to represent Africa. Here to represent Africa. So I hope I'm wearing it correctly. I don't know why I have a problem when it comes to pronouncing of words. I have that challenge. Okay, our African babes, rate these earrings for 70 shillings. Simple, but at the same time you will look elegant. Next, comment down below, let me know which is your favorite pair. Our final earrings are this beautiful pink. See? Oh my, beautiful. I think these are my favorites. Very simple. Let me come close. Very simple and beautiful. Oh my. So those are my earrings. Comment down below, let me know which is your favorite pair. Yeah. So my second product that I think you should have or you should get at DUBOIS is this double layered necklace. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. See how beautiful it is. Oh my. So let me just put it on. See, I wish I can stand and show you how this top must. See how this layered necklace is. You see? And then this neck piece is when you want, maybe you have worn a top like this and you want to slay, you want to look good, you want to look put together, you want to look expensive. So this is what you should wear. Our that product that I think you should get at DUBOIS is this beautiful choker. Oh, the necklace was 250 shillings. This choker is 100 bob. Oh my goodness. See guys, see how that choker So beautiful, so beautiful. You should get this, and I wish they had as my name symbol E or something. Yeah, could be best, but I think I'll be rocking this. Super beautiful. So let's go to the next product. For the next the next product that I think you should get, when I went there, I never thought they were selling this amazing, beautiful key holder. So if you are extra, or if you love color, or if you love, I don't know how I can explain the personality, this is something that you should get. This is a very beautiful key holder, and they have in different what I can say, they come in different options and colors, designs. But I think this is something that is imagine you have your keys here and you're just carrying this. So my other product that you should get, let me first show you. It's a watch. If you want a statement watch, you see watch, a watch. See, like I'm just taking, like I'm walking, I have this amazing watch. I don't care if it's functioning, as long as it's on my hand and it's beautiful and it's gold. The other product or item that I think you should get, sunglasses. I'm telling you, you'll be spoiled for choice. I was so confused on what to buy. These amazing glasses just costed me 400 shillings. So I wanted the cat eye look. Let me just put these earrings. Oh my goodness. See? So these are one of, I think this is my favorite item that I got at DUBOIS. What do you think, guys? Do they look amazing? So the other product that I got is this bag. I saw this bag, and one thing I like about this fake dupe designer bag is that it looks good. Let's not deny it. It looks good, though it is so light, and only it will serve the purpose. And I think you should get a bag, not exactly like this one, but go to DUBOIS. I got this at 150, and this can come in handy. You can put in a lot of stuff. You can store your makeup, you can store your accessories, maybe when you're traveling. You can be able to keep a lot of things. So I think this bag is amazing. What do you think, guys? What do you think? The final product that I think you should get when you go to DUBOIS, or you should get as an accessories, is this beautiful leather. This is amazing. You know, we have those lazy days that, or those bad hair days. Just put this, guys. Hope my wig won't come off. Let me just try it. Imagine your wig is not even laid. You just put on this hat, then you stop. Let me just put it so well. You see? My section. What do you think? Then I love the way people wear the cap, then they tuck. I don't know how they style the hair inside. I don't know, but I will figure it out. Guys, let me know. Actually, I think I've not. Oh my god, my wig don't slide on me. So you remove this paper. This is the cap. So beautiful. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Comment down below. Let me know your opinion. So thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative enough and you will take my tips. And if you go to DUBOIS, come back and comment down below and let me know what you went and purchased. So without wasting any time, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing, like this video, share it with your friends. Yeah. Yeah, until next time, bye. But I can't tell it like that. Okay, let's remove the cap.